Are you feeling frustrated with Squarespace and looking for some alternatives to build your small business website? Awesome. In this video, you're in the right spot. We're going to break down some of the best small business website builders that are alternatives to Wix, depending on what your needs are. I'll break down kind of some of the pros and cons. So depending on why you're leaving Squarespace, you'll have an understanding of which platform might be a good fit for you as an alternative to that platform. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. Okay, if Squarespace is proving to be just too much for your business, you might want to look at something like Mighty Sites. That's up first. Mighty Sites lets you deploy a simple professional website, especially if you're a local business and just want an informational web page. It starts at just $9 a month and allows you to easily customize it with just point and click. It builds the site pretty much for you, so it's simple and easy and ready to go. And then you can just deploy and launch basically a simple website for your local business for just $9 a month. Now on the con side, less design flexibility, no e-commerce features. So if you're really looking for something robust, this isn't your platform. But if you're looking for something simpler and easier and cheaper, Mighty Sites is your way to go. All right, next up, Wix. Wix is probably the most direct head-to-head competitor with Squarespace. It's also a drag and drop editor with a huge library of templates. It's got built-in marketing and SEO tools, and again, free plan available. It's going to have a Wix logo on it if you use a free plan on your website, but it's still there. Now, on the con side, it's probably got less design flexibility than some competitors, some limited control over mobile responsiveness on the free plan, and it can get pricier for more complex features. So if you're experiencing that on Squarespace, expect the same thing on Wix. Now, if you're frustrated with the e-commerce functionality from Squarespace, think about Shopify. This is the e-commerce powerhouse. Tons of features for selling online, secure payment processing. It's got an app store with extensions for additional functionality. Now on the con side, it's primarily focused on online stores. So that can feel kind of limiting if you more just wanted an informational website, and you could feel like you're overpaying because it does get expensive if you're not actually using all the e-commerce features. Next up, we have WordPress. So it's highly customizable with themes and plugins. It's got a familiar interface. If you've ever used WordPress before, a lot of websites are built on WordPress. Now, it is free, but you do have to host it, so you're going to have a cost associated with that. Now, on the con side, it's definitely way less beginner friendly. You're probably going to need some technical help or a developer, and plugins can make the whole system really complicated really quick. Next up, we have Duda. It's more for like agencies and freelancers who create websites for clients. It's got a lot of client management tools and white labeling options. It might be more complex for small business owners who are just trying to build something for themselves, and they probably focus more on agencies than individual users, but it's worth it. It's got some international multi-language functionality that could be helpful for you too. So that's Duda. So just consider the pros and cons of each one. Hope this is helpful in pointing you in a new direction. Click that like and subscribe for all these great tips on how to get a great website built and the marketing for your business. So stay tuned for these next videos to help you grow and shine online.